Starting with an ET Now exclusive, firstly I'll talk about Reliance as well as the Amazon deal. According to the ET Now sources, this is said that the world's richest man, that is Jeff Bezos, and the fifth richest man, Mukesh Ambani, are said to be in talks for a deal for Reliance Retail. Now, in this deal, it's said that, Amazon will be looking to buy 9.9% stake in Reliance Retail. Now, Reliance has been buzzing since a while, and today, on the back of this news, also the stock is up by around 3 to 4% in trade today. Talking about AU Small Finance Bank, now this stock has been buzzing in trade on the back of its Q1 earnings, and there have been a good set of numbers from the company. The profitability was up by 6%, mainly led due to the higher treasury gains as well as the AVA stake sale, which was supporting the earnings, and the OPEX decline also supported the profitability of the company. In terms of the NII has also improved by around 30% for the company in the quarter, while on a year-on-year basis, while the GNPA also stood stable at 1.7% on a quarter-on-quarter basis, and the NNPA also showed some positive signs and was improved and saw a slight improvement. So surely that was a positive sign for the company, and the investors are in the market is surely giving it a thumbs up, and the stock is up 5% in trade. Moving on to another candidate which is buzzing on the back of its earnings is Mphasis. It's seen a nice uptick in the stock of around 10% in trade, and this is almost one of the highs of the company in the last couple of years. So surely a very positive sign on the back of its earnings, where we're seeing the consolidated profit increase by 3.9% for the quarter, while it stood at 275 crores. Also, in terms of the management commentary, they did say that the profit, this is the best quarter that they have seen deal wins, as well as the current environment is so tough that in such time the company managing to get good deal wins is a very positive sign, and surely that is showing some positivity in the market as well, and we are seeing a great improvement in the stock. Now moving on to INEOS Styrolution. Now this stock has been under pressure. It's in the lower circuit. It's down 20% today on the back of the news that its promoters have rejected the discovery price of 1,100, which was for the proposed voluntary delisting of this company and the shares. Now, because of this, the promoters have not also given any counter offer, so it stands that this delisting of the shares deems to be failed in terms of the delisting regulation. So that is why the stock has taken a big hit. Moving on to the last stock that is in focus today, we'll talk about PNC Infra. Now, the company has managed to back 2 contracts from the government, as the government cancels the lowest bid from Chinese firm and gives it to PNC Infra. So loss for China is a gain for PNC Infra, and this order is received for a letter of acceptance from NHAI for around 1,500 crores. So a good deal win for PNC Infra, and the stock is buzzing in trade today. Also, let's not forget, we have a lot of important earnings coming in later on the day, where we have ITC coming in, we have Asian Paints coming in, we have even now JSW Steel and Z Entertainment, while in the broader markets we also have Ambuja Cement and Welspun India. So these are the stocks also which could see some movement on earnings. So let's see how these all stocks perform in trade today going forward, and what will be the closing find.